2-week series, I'm going to show you my 14 favorite stitches to do while binge watching your favorite TV show or your favorite Netflix series or Amazon Prime or HBO or Stars or Hulu. The list goes on and on. So grab your hook, grab your yarn, grab your remote, and probably a drink, and let's dive right in. Hi everybody, it is day 8. Today is day 8 of the Binge-worthy Crochet Stitches series, brought to you by Whippy Chick Crochet. All right, that was really dorky. All right, so the day 8 stitch is actually the Granny Ripple. The Granny Ripple. I love the Granny Ripple. And have you noticed a theme? Like, granny stitches are really binge-worthy stitches. You can do the granny square, you can do the granny stripes, you can do the granny ripple. I haven't even told you about the granny rectangle, to make your blanket a rectangle shape. There's also granny triangles, there's granny hexagons, there's the list goes on and on and on. Okay, lots of granny stitches. So granny clusters are super easy because you're crocheting into chain spaces, and that makes things so fast, right? So this is a granny ripple stitch that I made for my husband. I actually made an identical one for my son. My husband saw it and said, I want one just like it, same colors and everything. So I will say I did get a little tired of the colors after a while, but they do both use them quite a bit. So the Granny Ripple stitch. If you have never made the Granny Ripple stitch and you would like to give it a try, I do have a tutorial for that. You can click the link in the description box below for the Granny Ripple stitch, and that will show you how to do it. The Granny Ripple stitch is another stitch that I do use a lot for scrap blankets, and I usually use the magic ball method. I have a video for that too. You make a magic ball and you've got this great big ball of all your scraps, and then you just crochet. And however it turns out is how it turns out. It is a surprise at the end. But I call that my bub pattern, my butt ugly blanket pattern. So if you're interested in making a bub, or maybe you want to make a Granny Ripple that has, you know, planned coloring, give it a try. I think you'll really like it. It's definitely binge-worthy. All right, everybody, until tomorrow's binge-worthy stitch, I'll see you later and have a great day. Bye.